Hello guys. Do you want to learn spoken English? You want to speak fluent English, but you are thinking how to practice speaking English at home. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can practice with yourself at home. You don't need any partner and you don't need anyone. But how it is possible? Is it possible or not? Yes, it is 100% possible. But you have to practice every day and you can explain about any situations. Depend on you. Everyone happens every day in your related to your family, related to you, and related to travel if you are traveling any places. So there are many things happens where are you living, but we don't notice what is happening around me and what is happening around our surrounding, what is happening around neighbors, next to my neighbors. So you can explain about anything. Suppose that I'm going to explain you through three examples. Actually, this morning my teeth is aching a lot, and I am very sad. I feel very sad. What to do? I have teeth ache. So I'm thinking, and a few days ago, I I have watched an video. I had watched an video of cancer. Cancer told in a video how to treat your toothache at home. So I remember that thing that this is the day I can use that video and that for remedy whatever cancer told in his video. So I watched their video and I searched on YouTube that how to treat our toothache at home by cancer. So I watched video and actually they had told in that on that video that you have four things for removing your toothache. Number one, salt, and two, turmeric, and three is mustard oil, and fourth is alum. Alum means fittikiri. So you have to mix these four things and you will apply. You can apply any times in a day and at night. So day and night every time during day and at night anytime you can apply this remedy and you can easily remove your toothache. Toothache is very hard pain, so sometimes we don't explain, we don't how to treat it, and we think we will have to go to the doctor, we will have to go to the doctor and we will have to consult a doctor for removing our toothache. But you don't need any doctor for treat your toothache pain. You can easily remove your toothache pain at home. So I watched video of cancer and I apply those remedy and it yes friends, that remedy, these four things is amazing. After some times I applied this remedy after only for half an hour I applied this remedy, and after half an hour my teeth ache is gone. Yes friends. So when I applied, I thought that how I can explain this situation. If I have to say in English this situation, so how I can explain? Actually, many beginners think in the starting they learning of daily use English sentences. Yes, English sentences is very important, but this is important for beginners. Initial level you can apply daily use English sentences, But if you want to become fluent in English, so you will have to constantly speaking, you will have to practice, and you will have to, because when we try to speak English, we will have to many sentences after one, two, three. So we can't fluent by daily using the sentences, daily using the sentences. We can't become fluent in English. We'll have to fluent in English. You'll have to use your your situations, and you'll have to try how to say in English. So I use this form of this remedy, and we think how I can explain it in English. So, and you can use chat GPT. As you all know, chat GPT is very important application, and you can ask any questions. Chat GPT immediately reply of your for your questions, whatever you want to ask. So if you think how to say in English, that situation, how to say in English in these sentences, so you can ask ChatGPT, and you can also use Google Translate. If you go to in, you'll have to go to in Play Store, and you can easily install Google Translate. And ChatGPT also available on Play Store application. So you can use this application, and easily you can improve your English. So this is very important. There is no any way, and there is no trick, but you will have to reading every day as well, and you will have to English grammar rules, but you will have to speaking every day. You speak for 1 minute. You speak for in the starting. You can speak 30 seconds. You can't speak. You will not able to speaking 1 minute. So you can speak 30 seconds in the starting, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. But you will have to speak constantly. Don't stop. You learn. You learn 5 sentences, and you try to in front of mirror, and you can try to in front of mobile camera, and you will have to try every day, because we stop in the middle, in the intermediate. After few days we forget everything. We learn grammar rules, we learn advanced English structures, a lot of we learn about the grammars and English structures, but after 1 month, 2 months, we forget everything. Okay, why? What is reason? The reason is that we don't practice. We don't use those structures and grammar rules. We don't use our daily conversation. So whenever you learn anything, and you learn about any structures, you learn about any grammar rules, you will have to try those rules in your daily conversation. After, without using those sentences, those grammar rules, and anything, whatever you are learning related to English, if you don't use those structures and grammar rules, you never fluent in English. You will never become fluent in English. So this is the way. This is only the way who you can see who becomes fluent in English, who is becoming fluent in English. There is only suggest you that speaking, only speaking. There is no way. If you want to learn speaking, you will have to speak. You can't fluent in English by listening, by reading, and by writing. There is only one way for speaking, that is speaking. Speak. Every day speak. Anything you can speak, you can explain you can make channels on YouTube, and you can promise yourself, I will upload every day one video for 1 minute, 2 minutes, depend on it. In the starting, you can start 1 minute. So this is the very important for improving your speaking and spoken English, whatever you say.